In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Lovable AI app online. By the end, you'll have a shareable link to your app and the confidence to present it to anyone. Let's get started. First, open Lovable AI and make sure you're logged in. A modern browser and a stable internet connection will make everything smoother. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a place to describe the app you want to build. This prompt is the foundation of your app, so be specific. Mention the problem your app solves, who it's for, and any key features you want. For example, clarify inputs and outputs, data the app should handle, and any tone or constraints. Keep it clear, avoid sensitive information, and focus on the results you want users to see. When you're happy with your prompt, let Lovable AI generate the app. It will automatically assemble the interface and logic based on your description. This can take a moment. Think of it as your first draft. You can refine later, so don't worry about getting every detail perfect on the first try. Next, you'll see a live preview of your app. This is where you test thoroughly. Click through every button, submit sample inputs, and try edge cases to see how it responds. Check that labels make sense, results appear quickly, and any messages are readable. If your app uses forms or multiple screens, walk through the full flow to ensure nothing breaks. Try resizing your browser to get a sense of mobile responsiveness. If something looks off, tweak your prompt to clarify behavior and generate again until the experience feels smooth and reliable. When you're satisfied, head to the top right corner and select Publish. Confirm any prompts and remember that publishing makes your app publicly accessible. It's a good moment to double check that the content is appropriate and that you're not exposing private data. After publishing, Lovable AI provides a public link. Copy it and open it in your browser to verify the live app. For a true end-user view, test in a private or incognito window so you're not using your logged-in session. Make sure everything still works as expected and the page loads quickly. Finally, share your app. Send a live link to teammates, clients, or your community. Include a short description so people know what it does and how to use it. That's all there is to it. You've built, previewed, published, and shared your Lovable AI app online. Now get it in front of users and gather feedback to keep improving.